Hi guys, welcome to Industry 360. Today's topic is bias and variance. So in this video I'm going to explain you bias and variance. So stay tuned. Let's begin. First, we will try to understand what is bias and what is variance. Let's begin with bias. The difference between expected prediction of model and the correct value is known as bias. Bias is used for making the learning of the target function of any model easier. This is done by making simplifying assumptions. Now let's try to understand what is variance. How the prediction for a given point vary between different realizations for the models is known as variance. Variance is the amount which indicates the variability of any model prediction in such a case. Now let's try to understand what is bias and variance through the figures. As you can see in the first figure, the case is low bias and low variance when the all points are located at red circle. This is our ideal situation. In the second figure, we have low bias and high variance, where the points are scattered all over the circle. In the third figure, the case is high bias and low variance, where the points are collected at one point but are outside the red circle. And in the last figure, the case is high bias and high variance, where the points are outside of the circle. This is not the ideal situation for us. As you can see in this figure, we are comparing overfitting, underfitting and a good balance. In the first figure, we have high variance, which indicates overfitting. In the second figure, we have underfitting, which indicates high bias. And in the last figure, we have low bias and low variance, which is a good balance for our model. This is our ideal situation. So that's all in this video. Stay tuned and stay connected to Industry 360. Thank you guys.